Today we are making a delicious dish of scallion braised tofu. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl and whisk until smooth. Then cut the tofu into irregular thick slices. Dip the tofu slices into the egg mixture. Next, cut the scallions diagonally into sections. Add light soy sauce to the bowl. Add a little oyster sauce and dark soy sauce. Add a pinch of sugar. Add salt. Add chicken powder. Add a little cornstarch slurry. Add some water. Mix well to create the sauce. Heat some oil in a pan. Add the egg-coated tofu to the pan and pan fry. Increase the heat and keep shaking the pan. When the surface is golden brown, add the scallions to the pan. Stir fry the scallions until softened. Pour the sauce into the pan. Increase the heat and simmer the sauce until it thickens. Stir fry until combined, then remove from heat and serve. This fragrant, tender, and flavorful scallion fried tofu is done.